Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about how you should read a research paper or document using generative AI. Now, why it is important to read a research paper or document using generative AI is because it is like reading that research paper or document along with 10 experts on the topic of the paper or the document that is being written. And so this is a privilege which only generative AI gives to any researcher or anyone interested in any kind of research. But one of the mistakes that people do is whenever they attach any research paper or document in generative AI, they simply say, give me a summary of this research paper, and press enter. If you do that, you will actually end up getting a very bad result. How you should go about is like this. You will have to pick up a thinking AI model. When you pick up a thinking AI model, there are models which have different levels of thinking capability as such. On your need, you pick up the thinking capability. If you want to dissect the paper very deep, criticize it and compare it with different theories and concepts as such, you pick up the highest thinking model. But if you just want to understand the paper and dig deep into the paper, just pick the lowest thinking model. Again, depending on your need. Now, the next thing that you should do is that with the help of AI, you should create a prompt. And in that prompt, you should specify the purpose of why you're reading this, the level of understanding of academic concepts that you have. Why are you interested in reading this paper and what you want help for? The second thing that you should do is that you should specify how AI should respond to you. AI has a certain way of responding to your queries. You should specify specifically how AI should respond to you in terms of delving into understanding this paper. The third thing that you should do is you should put guardrails, do's and don'ts of AI in terms of how AI responds to you. And then the fourth thing that you should do is you should specify a workflow. A workflow which specifies how you want to dissect that paper and understand that paper and how you want AI to respond to you and also the output format. This prompt can be created and recreated depending on your need and depending on what you're reading and the purpose of what you are reading. And this is how you can actually dissect into a research document or paper, like dissecting it with 10 to 20 experts together with you. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section. I'll address it in the upcoming reel.